How to recover Pokemon UNITE account. For this, you need to head over to your preferred browser. Here you want to search for support.pokemon.com. Now on this web page, you want to scroll down and then you want to tap on Pokemon UNITE. Here, scroll down and then you want to tap on Contact Us. What we are going to do now is we are going to submit a request for account recovery. So here you need to enter your active email address, then enter your first and last name. Now you can select your language. Now location and region is optional, so you can skip that. Now in subject, you want to put account recovery. Over here on app version, you can put the app version which is displayed on the title screen. Now, what kind of device are you using? So I'm going to choose Android. You can skip support ID. Next thing you want to add is what is the model of your mobile device. Now, what is your mobile device operating system? Then you can skip your trainer name. Next thing is what can we help with? So here you want to select Report Issue. Now on network environment, you can choose the network type. I'm going to choose Wi-Fi home. Now you need to select your issue. Here you want to select account link issue. Next is please select the platform where you are experiencing an account link or data loss issue. So here I'm going to select Google because I have lost my Google account, because of which I'm not able to log into Pokemon UNITE. Next one is please select the account link issue. Here you want to select Other. Now here it is asking, are you able to play the game? Select Cannot Play. Now you need to enter the date and time of issue. Then in description, you need to briefly describe your issue. Now after this, you just want to confirm if you have filled up all the important details and then tap on the Submit button. Now as you can see, your request has been submitted successfully. Now Pokemon UNITE support will reply to your email, so you just have to wait for it. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.